Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing great. As you all know, my name is Khadija. So welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 6. Today I don't have any topic, like I don't have any particular topic. Today I'll just talk randomly. Okay? So today what happened? This morning today I'll share just my routine, okay? So this morning I woke up around 6 a.m. and the weather was just very beautiful. My family, my family had breakfast together. My sister, niece, my mother, my father, and my brother as well. Okay, they were they all were heading to Faisalabad, and they got ready quickly. And by 6:30 a.m. they left. After they left, I I went back to sleep around for you can say for just few minutes and finally get ready, freshened up and checked what was for breakfast. There was dal for breakfast, but I wasn't in the mood for it. So what I did, I quickly made myself something very simple. Guess what? I took some malai with a sprinkle of sugar with one tortilla. Yes, and I enjoyed that a lot. After that, here I really want to add a funny thing about me is I eat like a little chick. Yes, I don't know why. I take small or maybe tiny bites and I chew forever. I eat too slow. I can't eat fast. And that's probably why I'm so skinny. And I really want to fix it. I can still remember today it took me almost half an hour to just finish one tortilla. Like, meanwhile, most of the people are done in just 5 to 7 minutes, right? And it took me half an hour to just finish one tortilla. I really, if you all know any solution about this, if you can help me with that, I'll be really thankful to you. Please do let me know what I should do. I'm, going through with this. After breakfast, I got ready quickly and I noticed my cupboard was open, which I never leave like that. I must have forgotten last night to lock it. I locked it immediately because I keep it organized my own way, right? So if someone else goes through it and messes things up, I get so irritated when I can't find things. Normally my brother drops me off, but today he wasn't at home. He had gone with mom and dad. So that is why I had to walk to get a rickshaw. But the wind was very strong. A very strong wind was blowing today. Yes, and I had to walk. I had to wait for a while as well. But eventually, I got one rickshaw and reached the office. In the lunch, usually I eat apple, but I am bored of it now. So bananas don't taste great, and mangoes are not hitting the same, as you all know. So in the end, I just ordered pizza, and that saved my day. And today, like right now, I am at home from the office. So that was my day. I hope you learned something. And this was obviously day 6. I'll catch you tomorrow on the day 7. Take care. Bye.